Hey guys, Marlon with Impress Computers, and today we have a desktop. It's a Dell computer, and the customer brought it in and they were wondering why there was some smoke coming out of the back of the computer. So when you open it up, you got all kinds of dust. It was a funny joke, it was just a joke, but the problem with this is if you leave all this dust in there, it can actually stop functioning the computer because there are no connections between the pins and the stuff. So let me show you real quick how to blow it off. Go ahead. Alright guys, we just finished blowing that off, and then as you can see, this is a finished product. We can blow this out for $20 and make sure everything's cleaned up inside. We also do paper towels and just make sure that everything's physically clean. Don't leave this happen, guys. This can literally make your computer shut down. We recommend doing this while you change your air filters in the house. So if you have any questions about cleaning your PCs or just other queries, you can give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.